सुप्रभातं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः प्रियछात्राः अद्य षष्ठकक्षायां प्रथममासिकपरीक्षायाः प्रश्नपत्रस्य विमर्शनं सम्पादयामः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In today's class, in the class 6th, we are going to discuss the question paper which was given in the first monthly test. So as all of you know, this monthly test was conducted for the 20 marks, 20 MCQs, that is multiple choice questions were given. For MCQ we call बहुविकल्पात्मकाः प्रश्नाः इति संस्कृते कथयामः. As I have told you, many of you could understand, but still some of you could not. I asked you to write option number as well as option answer also. Those who did not write the option answer were cut 1 mark. Understood? Those who are getting 17, 16, you should think that because of you have not written the answer, you are cut 1 mark. So you should be aware, next time you should be writing properly. प्रथमं तावत् पश्यामः. प्रथमः प्रश्नः, कमलम् अत्र कवर्गे कः वर्णः भवति? In the word Kamala, which alphabet comes in the Kavarga? As you know, Kavarga Ka Ka Ga Ga Na. So here Ga also comes in Kavarga, Ka also comes in Kavarga. But which is there in Kamala is Ka. That is the answer is Ka is the right answer. I think all of you have written. Next. द्वितीयः प्रश्नः, पठति अत्र ट वर्गे कः वर्णः भवति? ट वर्गे, in this word, which letter is there in Tavarga? So as you know, ta is there also in Tavarga, da is also there in Tavarga, tha is also there in Tavarga. In pathati, which word is there? That is the tha. Got it? So tha iti padam atra tavargasyam padam asti. Bhavanam atra tavarge kaha varnaha na bhavati? Tavargasya kaha varnaha na bhavati? Papa bha ma. Atra tavarge kaha var bha api na bhavati, va api na bhavati. Khalo? Ta bha na. So the right option is ta ta da dha na. Kim asti? Bha is not there. Khalo? Uttaram bha bhavati. Next, phalani atra pa varge kaha varnaha na bhavati? La api na bhavati, na api na bhavati. Phalani ityatra. Which is the word which is not there in the pavarga? So pa is there in the pavarga, ma is also there in the pavarga, ba is also there in the pavarga. So for this question, as it is technically wrong, anybody attempted, any answer is written, you have got the full marks. For all those who have written anything, pa, ba, ma, anything, you got the full marks. Next, but most you can be pa. Panchamam, Sita ityasya varna vibhajanam bhavati. How to split varna vibhajanam of Sita? Asti sa adhikam a adhikam tha adhikam a, it becomes satha, so it is wrong. Sa adhikam e adhikam ta adhikam a, Sita. So right answer is a Sita.
Is the answer of fourth question?
Fourth question, anything. For everything you got the marks.
It is wrong question.
It is a question. Options are wrong. Okay. All the options are wrong. That's why you have got the full marks. अत्र पञ्चमप्रश्नस्य उत्तरं भवति सीता स अधिकम् इ अधिकं त अधिकम् आ सीता। नेक्स्ट बकः इत्यस्य वर्णविभजनं भवति ब अधिकम् आ अधिकं ल अधिकम् इ बलि ब अधिकम् आ अधिकं ल अधिकम् अह बालः ब अधिकम् आ अधिकं क अधिकम् अह बकः। The correct answer is E बकः। सप्तमः प्रश्नः स अधिकम् उ अधिकं त अधिकम् अह अस्य वर्णसंयोजनं किं भवति? सुतः इति भवति। सुतः स अधिकम् उ सु त अधिकम् अह सुतः। The right answer is a sutah. Pita lata are not the right answers. Next अष्टमः प्रश्नः ल अधिकम् इ अधिकं ख अधिकम् आ अधिकं त अधिकम् इ अस्य वर्णसंयोजनं भवति लिखति इति भवति। लिखति लिखतः लिखामि। So the right answer is a लिखति। अग्रे चलामः उ अधिकं त अधिकं त अधिकं आ अधिकं र अधिकं अम् अस्य वर्णसंयोजनं भवति उत्तरम्। किं भवति? उत्तरम्। आ उत्तरम् इति तस्य उत्तरं भवति। दशमप्रश्नं पश्यामः मानवः अत्र किं वचनं? मानवेन्द्र झा अस्ति अस्माकं कक्षायां। मानवः अस्य किं वचनम्? एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं? मानवः इति एकवचनं। Many of you, some of you, those who got 14 and 15, they have made mistake only in these 5 questions. That means for ekavachana you have kept dvivachana bahuvachana like that. Next 11th question बालकौ अत्र किं वचनं? बालकः बालकौ बालकाः। बालकौ इति द्विवचनं। मानवः एकवचनं बालकौ द्विवचनं। 12 प्रश्नः सिंहाः अत्र किं वचनं? सिंहाः दीर्घमस्ति। सिंहाः सिंहः एकवचनं सिंहौ द्विवचनं सिंहाः इति बहुवचनं। सिंहाः इति बहुवचनं। उत्तमं सम्यक्। तृतीयः प्रश्नः गजः अत्र किं वचनं? गजः इत्यत्र एकवचनं। गजः एकवचनम् अस्ति। अगेन 14 प्रश्नः कोकिलाः अत्र किं वचनं? कोकिलाः कोकिलः एकवचनं कोकिलौ द्विवचनं कोकिलाः किं भवति? बहुवचनं। सम्यक् उत्तमं। कोकिलाः इति बहुवचनं भवति। 15 प्रश्नः फ्रॉम 15th question onwards question and answers. कः सीव्यति? कः सीव्यति means who will stitch the clothes? So answer is Sauchikaha. Sauchikaha सीव्यति. Who stitches? This is the tailor. Vruddha means old man. Chashaka means glass tumbler. 16 प्रश्नः कौ बुक्कतः. Who are the two who are barking? उत्तमम् उत्तरं शुनकौ बुक्कतः. These are the shunakau, 2 dogs. Chashakau 2 tumblers. Then vruddhau 2 old men. Old men don't bark. Next 17 प्रश्नः के हसन्ति. Who are smiling? Very beautiful. वृद्धाः हसन्ति. These the old men are laughing. Kukkuraha means dogs. Syutaha means bags. 18 प्रश्नः सिंहः किं करोति? What does the lion do?
Garjati.
Simha garjati.
Garjati.
Yes. So bukkati means bark, gayati means sing. So simha garjati. Navadashaha prashnaha. 19th question. के नीलवर्णाः सन्ति? Who are the in the blue color? स्यूताः नीलवर्णाः सन्ति. Very good. Ishan, correct answer. Next, last question. देवभाषा का अस्ति? Which language is known as a देवभाषा? संस्कृतं. संस्कृतं देवभाषा अस्ति इति भवन्तः जानन्ति. समीचीनम्. वदतु. Yes, my dear. Now you tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, you told fourth question you will give all marks, sir. But my 1 marks gone and all correct.
All correct. That's what.
Except 4 questions, sir.
Yes, yes. That's correct. Was there? Okay. This is the set A. As you can see, what has come to you is a set B. If you were lucky enough, you would have got set 1 also. It is very easy, I think.
So how do you decide set A, set B?
Here we have mentioned, no? See, we will give 2 sets to the exam department. Exam department will take to the principal. Principal will decide which set should be given.
Sir. Okay, sir.
So let us see this set 1. Kavarge kaha varnaha na bhavati. In the kavarge kaha varnaha na bhavati. So ka is there, ga is there. The answer is cha. Next. Ta varge kaha varnaha na bhavati. Ta, da, da. What is the answer? E. Da. Da is not there because da is in tavarga. Ananta. Tavarge kaha varnaha na bhavati. Ta, pa, na. Pa is the right answer. Pa iti varnaha tavarge na bhavati. Pavarge kaha varnaha na bhavati. Ja na bhavati. Katha ityasya varna vibhajanam kim bhavati. Kadikam adikam thadikam a. Katha kadikam adikam thadikam a. Gadikam tha. So the right answer is katha. Samichin. Balaha इत्यस्य वर्ण विभजनं भवति. ब अधिकं नो. Yes.
बालः आदिकं लादिकं अह.
उत्तम. समीचीनं. Very good. Next. सप्तमः प्रश्नः. ल अधिकं आ अधिकं घ अधिकं उ अस्य वर्ण संयोजनं भवति.
लघु.
See, here also ga is there, here also ga is there. You should be very careful. Next. Eighth question. La adikam a e adikam kha adikam a adikam ta adikam e kim bhavati?
लिखति.
Likhati. Very good. Next. Manavendra ja punah agata. Ma adikam a adikam na adikam a adikam va adikam a kim bhavati? Madhavaha. Manavaha. Uttamam. Very good. 10th question. Chashakaha atra kim vachanam? Ekavachanam. Uttamam. Ekavachanam iti shuddham uttaram. Kukkurau atra kim vachanam? Dvivachanam. Very good. स्यूताः अत्र किं वचनं?
बहुवचनं
बहुवचनं. समीचीनम्. अध्यापकः अत्र किं वचनं? एकवचनम्. अध्यापकः एकवचनं. मयूराः मयूराः बहुवचनम्. उत्तमम्.
बहुवचनं सर
हा. कः सीव्यति? सौचिकः. सेम क्वेश्चन. कौ भुक्कतः? शुनकौ भुक्कतः. के हसन्ति? वृद्धाः हसन्ति. सिंहः किं करोति? सिंहः
Question as other set.
सेम. के नीलवर्णाः सन्ति? स्यूताः नीलवर्णाः सन्ति. संस्कृतम् इत्यस्य अर्थः भवति सकलं कृतं, सम्यक् कृतं, सबलं कृतं. सम्यक् कृतं. Very beautiful. In the first class I told you. Do you remember? Samyak kritam samskritam. So I think many would have scored out of out if this paper was given.
Yes, sir, it was very easy paper, sir.
Very easy.
Sir, you teach very nicely, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next time I will give you full. Don't worry.
Sir, I got 0.5 marks.
Yes,
today,
yes,
sir.
yes. But don't worry. All the best. Do well. Astu.
also 19.5.
Yes.
Sir, school will be open after Diwali.
Yes.